Welcome back to another book review. Today we're looking at a catalog from SIGARMS. This is from 2006. So this is from quite a while ago, and this company has actually changed the names to SIG Sauer Incorporated, I believe, but feel free to research current product offerings from SIG Sauer, wherever you are located, whatever country you are in, because there are different distribution setups depending on what country you are located in. So, again, this is from 2006, and we turn to a quick look at the back cover. All information subject to change. So this is in reference to SIGARMS in the USA, and at the time, 2006, they were an importer distributor for SIG Sauer. So they would bring in items from overseas and then distribute them in the USA. So on the front cover, we can see some stock photography of some items and clothing. If we look carefully, you can see there's actually articles of clothing and a little bit of a logo there. Title there. If we flip over on the back, we can see kind of the sub brands. So we got SIGARMS, SIG SAUER, SigTac, and SIGARMS Academy. Contact info at the time. Feel free to research current contact info for SIG Sauer items. And let's go ahead and take a look at the inside cover. Pretty thick, but still flexible. So, building the world's best guns. And here we have some descriptive paragraphs. See if we can get rid of that glare. I might have to shut one light down. It's pretty glossy. It seems to work. And then the second column here. And then more stock photography. And then here we have some examples. So it looks like a Revolution STX, P220 RSAO, P220 Carry SAS, and the SIG 556. If we look here, starting in the actual catalog items, we have GSR 1911s. The revolution has begun. So we have our descriptive paragraphs. We're going to have pictures of each item with a little feature set underneath of highlights. So we got revolutions on this side. On this side, they mention Revolution Triple T, STX, and the XO. You see those there. Next up, continuing with Revolution Target and Carry. We also have Revolution Compacts. So I'm going to repeat that this is from 2006, so some of these specifications, of course, are subject to change, as they mentioned on the back cover. Now we get into the P220, The Legend Endures. Our paragraph descriptions, stock photos, and then the items and feature set. We've got the 220R, 220R two-tone, And you can see there a variety of trigger setups, and then the DAK trigger, 7.5 pounds. Eek. P220 stainless. I'm just kind of looking at the Equinox right here. And then we got the 220R Equinox, and then the 220R SAO. I believe that would be single action only. P220 Carry models. The evolution of the P220. It's paragraph description. Looks like a carry two-tone, 220R carry. Same like that one, and these all three are 220Rs. And that's a carry DAK. Continuing with the 220R carry SAO and a 220 carry SAS. And the bottom one is another R carry Equinox. So completes the 220 series for 2006, at least in this catalog. Here we have the SP 2022, but again, that's just a model number. This is again from 2006. So let's take a look at the paragraphs real quick. Here you can see a little feature on the modular fire control unit, interchangeable grips. So at the top is the basic SP 2022. We have two-tone. On this side we got the 226 X-Five. X-Five at the top, X-Five Competition, and X-Five Tactical. P226, still the world's best pistol. Stock photography there. 226R two-tone, 226 stainless, 226R DAK. On the side we got the 226 SAS, 226R Equinox, and the 226R Blackwater. Interesting. Here we have P229, the pistol that protects America. Stock photos there. So we have the 229R two-tone, 229R DAK, 229R, 229 SAS, and what's this one? 229R Equinox. Continuing with the P239 top, and then we have a 239 DAK, a two-tone, and also the 239 SAS. Here we have on this side, we're in the middle, this page has come loose, P232, the premier backup pistol. So we got 232 stainless, basic 232, and the P232 two-tone. It's got that sleek kind of angled design there. Mosquito, it makes your trigger finger itch. Paragraph description, target package. Interesting. There's just a basic Mosquito, and here we have a two-tone. Some stock photography from this side. Mosquito with threaded barrel. Nice. Mosquito in combat green. A Mosquito paddle holster. And then the Mosquito target package. So those items from two different angles. That would be that setup. Okay, so now we're getting into the 556. The time has come. Very large paragraphs here. A little bit of stock photography in poking its way in there. So here we have feature set, specifications. All weights and measurements are approximate specifications subject to change without notice. Now, it's always something to keep in mind with anything. SIG 556L with 16-inch barrel. This one has the 20-inch barrel. A little bit more feature highlights. And then we get into SigTac Knives, always cutting edge. Stock photo, the gear that operates with the operator. So you got pit bow neck knife, Rangemaster folder, SIG SAUER P226 folder, skeleton folder, drop point, pterodactyl folder, tactical auto. Here we got SigTac tactical gear. So we first had the knives, now we're going to get tactical gear. Looks like we got coats, pants, shorts, polo shirts, tactical vest, which is basically a vest with pockets. So, SigTac casual wear. So, in other words, t-shirts, hats, polo shirts, long sleeve shirts. Got a whole SIG wardrobe. SIG SAUER Accessories. So if you want to highlight certain items. Let's see, you've got more decorative stuff. Pins, signs, stickers, gift certificates, pistol case posters. Then we got replacement parts, bags. Here we have a magazine chart. So down the left side are the models. Then continue to the right, the caliber, and then the magazine capacity. And then they say visit the website for full selection. But remember, this is from 2006, so feel free to research current contact info. So here we have what was listed as SIGARMS pistols. Models down the left side. Top columns on the high level, available calibers, available actions, trigger pull weights, overall measurements, sight configuration, grips, frame material, frame finish, slide finish, magazine capacities, and safeties. And even those have subheadings underneath, so I won't go through the calibers. You can read those yourself. And the actions were the DA/SA, DAK, SAO, DASA, DAK, SAO. And then your measurements were length, height, width, barrel length, sight radius, weight, width, magazine. Your sight configuration would be contrast, night sights, adjustable night sights, true glow, TFO. Grips could be polymer or custom wood. Frame material, alloy, stainless polymer. Frame finish, black anodized, nitron, stainless other. Slide, alloy, stainless. Slide finish, blued nitron, stainless other. And your magazine capacities, depending on your caliber. And for safeties, firing pin safety, hammer intercept notch, disconnect safety, decocker, manual safety, ambidextrous safety, grip safety, magazine safety, internal lock, cable lock. who's to say that there isn't multiple safeties in these items? Okay, and then we get to SIGARMS Academy, where the professionals train. So we have quite a bit of a paragraph set. Some stock photography. Again, from 2006. Things have changed. Things progress. And courses, let's see, high-level armorer certification, tactical pistol instructor, patrol rifle, high-performance pistol training and tactics. Other courses include military-specific training, corrections-specific training, protective services and private security training, aviation-specific training, responsible citizen training, guest instructor and guest academy training, custom developed training for customer specific applications. So you got the money, you can get your own custom course designed just for you. So that was contact info at the time, stock photos, and closing on the back cover. So again, 2006. Quite a bit of time has passed since then. So feel free to research current product offerings and specifications from SIG SAUER. This has been the catalog for SIGARMS 2006 product portfolio. This has been another book review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage military tools and other expanded topics. We also do a series called Curios for the Curious, videos on more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.